Hi learners, in the last video we will see the spiral model and otter model. Okay, here we will see the object oriented analysis. The main purpose of object oriented analysis is to obtain an understanding of the application and understanding depending only on the system function requirement. The object analysis uses the object oriented technique and containing same order. Okay, the following activity. Which are the activities? First one is finding the object. Okay, here we will find the object involved in our system. How many objects are involved in your system, or which object are involved in our system or in our application. Okay, first activity is finding the object. Next one is organizing the object. Okay, in the first activity we identify the how many or which object are involved in our system. Then in second activity arrange that object in proper manner. Okay, organize the object. But here we will use the relationship, or we will use the inheritance, generalization, like that. Okay, third one is describing how object interact. Okay, third one means how object interact means which object depend on another object, or which object is parent class of another object. That relationship or that object interaction is defining here. And fourth one is defining the operation of the object, which operation perform on this object. In a fourth activity we will define the which operation perform on the object. And last one, defining the object internally. Okay, the class defining the object internally. The class main purpose is defining the object internally. Here we will define the object internally. Okay, next one is advantages of object oriented analysis. First one, it focus on the data. Second one, the principle of encapsulation and data handy help the developer and develop the system. It allows the effective management of the software complexity by the property of modularity. It can be upgraded from small to large system. Okay, next one, drawback of using function data methods in our system development. Okay, first one is it is difficult to maintain. Second one is another problem is that people do not naturally think in the term they structure, because of in a function already structure are defined, we cannot change or we cannot own decision get here. Okay, only internal. Okay, only that structure we feel that we do not change in that structure. And last one is it became more difficult to modify. This is most important question, because some of the university exam ask that question, which are the drawbacks of using function data methods, or what is advantages of object oriented analysis. Okay, next one, in a last slide we will see the object oriented analysis. Here we will see the object oriented construction. Object oriented construction means what, that the analysis model is designed and implemented in a source code. Means what, here we will done the coding. Okay, the first activity is that identifying the element of an object model. Okay, here object oriented concept following are abbreviation description that are often encountered during the modeling. First one, attribute. Second one, class. Third one, object. Fourth one, operation. Fifth one, subclass. And sixth, superclass. These are the element of an object model. These are identified in a first activity. Then next activity is identifying the classes and object. Object is a concrete entity that exists in a time and space. A class represents only abstraction, that essence of object it where. Okay, here we will see the identify the class and object. Class means what, class is the essence entity, means what, this is the internally structure of an object. Okay, then third activity is specifying the attribute. We will denote the attribute in ER diagram. Okay, all of you know that how to declare attribute in ER diagram. But here in object model or in UML language, attribute defined in different way. Okay, what will be do the attribute to store the information. Object use attribute to each entity object. We can thus tie several attributes. Each has data type. How to declare it? Example, hash. Hash means what? There is a three types of visibility. First one is public visibility, that's denoted by plus sign. Second one is protected visibility, that denoted by hash sign. And last one is private visibility, that's are denoted by minus sign. Okay, all of you know that public can be accessed in all classes, and protected will be accessible and to subclass and their that class. Okay, and private is accessible only operation of the class. Here, how to declare attribute? First, visibility name. Second one, attribute name. Then colon their data type. All of you understand that? I will repeat that. Okay, how to declare attribute? Here, visibility name, attribute name, colon and their data type. Understand that how to declare it. Next, defining the operation. An operation is a function or transformation that may be applied to or by an object in a class. Operation means what? Operation means what? They perform any function on that object. Something change occur in our system. Okay, operation that perform computation, operation that inquire about the state of an object, operation that monitor an object for the occurrence of controlling event. Then how to declare operation? Visibility name, parameter list, colon, return type and expression. Okay, how to declare operation? In a simple way, visibility, operation name and our method sign. Because operation means what? Like that a method. So we will declare the like method sign. Here we will see the how to declare a class. Class declare in a main four compartment. First one is class name, second one is attribute list, and third one is operation list, and last one, fourth one, responsibility. But this is not mandatory, this is optional. So we will declare class in a three compartment. Must be remember that class name must be having first letter capitalized. Okay, must remember that in a class name first letter must be capital. Here we will see the second compartment, attribute list. How to declare attribute? Attribute, visibility name, attribute name, colon and their data type. Here we will see the hash number colon integer. Hash is a visibility, number is a attribute name, colon integer is that data type. Okay, next compartment is operation. How to declare operation? Visibility name, operation name and their method sign. Here we will see the operation deposit. Okay, how to declare it? Visibility name plus deposit, that is our operation name and method sign. Are you understand that? Okay, we will see the next thing. Finalize the object definition. Finalize the object definition means what? Complete definition of object. Okay, the object oriented analysis is defined to all classes and the relationship and behavior associated with them that are relevant to the problem to be solved. Okay, what will be defined object oriented analysis? Object oriented analysis define that all classes and relationship and that's behavior involved in our system or involved in our model. Okay, to complete a number of tasks must be occurred. Find complete definition of object when we complete the number of tasks of must be occurred. Which task? First one is basic user requirement as must be communicated between the customer and software engineer. Then next one, classes must be identified, that's attribute and methods are defined. Third one, a class hierarchy is defined. Fourth one, object to object relation should be represented. Fifth one, object behavior must be modeled. That's 5 tasks when we complete in our system, we complete our object definition or object oriented analysis. Understand that? Okay, thank you.